All right, good evening, everyone. How are we doing? How's been trading? This is Trusted Emmanuel, Trustwalt FX. It's yet another episode. On this episode, I'm gonna be your friend and your tutor. So let's dive into the charts. It's 16th of June, 2026, and I'll be doing a market review on gold, SAUUSD. And this is the weekly chart. As you can see on my screen, this is the weekly chart. This is basically the weekly chart. And all right, let's dive into the charts. Let's look at the monthly time frame. The monthly time frame. So from the monthly time frame, as you can see, gold has been striving up. Gold has been striving higher for months. Yeah, as you can see, gold has been really bullish for months and creating higher high and higher low on lower time frame. I think this is a break of market structure here. This should be a break of market structure here on the monthly time frame, and basically after that break of market structure, we had a fair value gap. If you don't know what a fair value gap is just like an imbalance in the market where we have a large candle. Let's say, for example, let me do this. We have a large candle, a large body of candle like this, and we have another one by the right hand side like this, and we have another at the left hand side like this. So basically this is okay. Let me bring this here. So I'm not actually here to teach about fair value gap, but I think it's necessary you know what this thing means. So basically this is what a fair value gap looks like. Just from this candle low to this candle, this right hand candle, the low, probably you can use the wick, then this candle high, the left hand side. So the middle, this space in between is the fair value gap. This space in between is the fair value gap, and we are meant to know that fair value gaps are strong institutional reference points that price can probably react from. So we want to see price react from fair value gaps like this and give us a good trading opportunity. So by the way, that is that for that. So on the monthly time frame, I can see that after price broke market structure, we had a fair value gap to the upside. We had a fair value gap, created an imbalance here. See, a lot of imbalance was created in the market. A lot of imbalances was created in the market on the monthly time frame. As you can see, we're having this imbalance. We're also having an imbalance here, a fair value gap here, and basically, so we went up, we rallied on the monthly time frame. And we are actually retracing to fuel internal range liquidity. So this is exactly what is happening on gold presently. So basically, if this is the swing low, if that is a swing low, then and this is the swing high, so basically we want to see price come into discount zone, give us a retracement, and we push to the upside. So that's exactly what we want to see happen. We want to see price go down to the discount zone, rally down to the discount zone, then we find good opportunity to tally along with the institutions. So basically this price is still at price is resting at the 50% Fibonacci level. This is it. Price is currently resting at 50% Fibonacci level, and I want to look for trade opportunity around these levels. Basically, I want to look for any trade opportunities is around these levels. I'll be looking for trade opportunities. So basically, gold is currently dropping very fast. Gold is dropping fast into that discount level, so we'll look for opportunities, bullish opportunities. So let's move down to the 1 hour weekly time frame. So basically on the weekly time frame, this having all this marks up from the monthly time frame, having all this markup from the monthly time frame, we are on the weekly time frame. So what are we seeing on the weekly time frame? We could see that price is currently retracing downward after rallying up. After this movement to the upside, price is currently retracing downward to give us another opportunity, another push higher. So basically, where are we coming from? So where is price currently coming from? Let me take this off. So basically, where price is coming from, as you can see, if you look at this zone here, if we move down to the I guess the daily time frame, you will come to understand that we had a shift of market structure, I guess around this level, probably around this low. Market went up and we had a shift of market structure around this low, and we came back into a fair value gap. Look at this guy here, this candle low to this candle high here, this middle guy, candle high to this candle low. It's a fair value gap, and price came into it, filled it, and we got some sort of retracement, some sort of reaction from that zone, and we are currently falling off. So basically, I really want to see sell setup. I really want to see gold sell, but anything can happen. If gold should buy, then we want to see price rally up to this point, rally up probably to this point, taking out this minor swing high there and giving us some sort of retracement downward. Then we see the push to this drawn liquidity and also this drawn liquidity above. So basically, if I don't think that is going to happen, but anything can happen though in the market. Anything can happen though in the market. And if gold should sell, then gold should react from this fair value gap. Let me zoom in. There's a fair value gap there. Gold should react from this fair value gap. There's a tiny little fair value gap there. Let me use the fair value gap tool so that we'll be able to see that properly. Let me use the fair value gap tool. Is that so? Okay, as you can see, this gray, I think it's not really bold. I think this gray line you are seeing, so price came into it, tapped it a little bit, and what do we expect to see? We want to see if that fair value gap should hold price. Then we want to see price come for this low here, come for this low here, external range liquidity, and filling up that fair value gap. And of course, we'll go down to this guy here. We'll have some sort of reaction in this key level, this key zone from the monthly time frame. Then we push higher, from that zone. So basically, this is what I'm looking at on gold. I believe you find this video helpful. Please, if you do, smash the notification bell, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel so you'll be able to see educating content like this next time. Thank you. Stay safe.